Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting safe gear and a chimney starter. Make sure the grill sits level and away from flammables. Light the coals and wait until they're mostly gray with orange cores. That indicates even combustion. Once done, pour the hot coals into the bowl, spread them for the desired zone, and replace the cooking grate. Make sure to close the lid before you change vents so the draft stabilizes. This sets you up to control airflow reliably in the next steps. You now control temperature by balancing intake and exhaust. Open the bottom vent to introduce oxygen and partially open the top vent to let gases escape. Oxygen increases burn rate while the top vent governs draft. Once done, monitor the grill thermometer and tweak both vents slowly. Small changes have big effects. Make sure to wait a minute after each tweak to see the temperature change. If you need a hot sear, open both vents widely. For low and slow, reduce the intakes to a trickle. You finish by stabilizing the vents for steady cooking. Set the intake and exhaust at the positions that hold your target temperature and resist fiddling. Once stable, check every 10 to 15 minutes and make tiny adjustments. Rapid big moves create temperature swings. If you need to drop heat fast, close the top vent partly and then reduce bottom intake. Closing the top first prevents backdraft. If things go wrong and smoke becomes thick or acrid, open the top vent more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.